Hi, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, here to show you the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system for the 2020 through 2022 and likely beyond Nissan Versa 4-door sedan. This system comprises three components, starting with the BaseLine towers set of 4, the JetStream load bars set of 2 offered in silver or black, and 2 sets of 2 of the BaseLine pad and clip sets. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the JetStream load bar. Here we've cut this one down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. The overall shape is designed to minimize wind noise and wind drag. There is a track that runs along the top of the bar to accommodate certain accessories and carriers for a very clean, integrated method of attachment. On the underside of the bar is an additional track in which the tower is fastened, and alongside that track are measurement numbers which correspond to numbers that are shown in the instruction sheet to guide you in the correct positioning of the tower onto the bar. Now, the tower itself has multiple adjustments to provide a very custom fit to the vehicle, and to access those adjustments you first remove this outer cover, and to do so you squeeze at the top and pull down and back. The first adjustment we'll look at is behind this panel, so we'll pull back on that panel and now we have access to the fastener which holds the tower to the bar. It also is a pitch adjustment, which means you can adjust to compensate for curvature in the roof line. Now when we push back on that panel, you'll notice it prevents access to that fastener for security. Now below we have an additional adjustment, that is the toe adjustment. We'll demonstrate that with the tool that's included with the towers. So we'll loosen that, and there are 3 positions of adjustment of the pad and clip set to best match the shape and angles of the door frame. Now when we tighten this up, this handle of the tool will click, and that indicates that you've reached the correct tightness. And this tool is used for all the fasteners on this tower. Now, here we have an adjustment which, when tightened, will pull the clip against the door frame. And underneath this panel, the final adjustment is here, and when you tighten, that will pull the clip up against the door frame. Okay, so now we can go ahead and put the cover back into place. That just attaches at the bottom and snaps at the top. Here you'll notice there's a plastic plug, and that plastic plug can be removed and replaced with a Yakima SKS lock core. SKS stands for Same Key System. These are sold separately in match sets so that you can have all 4 of your towers and any SKS lockable accessory or carrier all key matched for security convenience. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Yakima JetStream BaseLine roof rack system. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. If you have any questions or comments about this particular system, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.